In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off password on Squarespace. If your Squarespace site is showing a password screen to visitors, you'll adjust this in your site's availability settings. Many sites start out password protected while you're designing, so this is normal. Begin on your Squarespace home dashboard and open the site you want to update. From the left-hand menu, choose Website to access the main site tools and controls you'll need for this change. Next, select Settings, the option with the small gear icon. Inside Settings, find and open Site Availability. This area determines who can see your site. You'll typically see three choices here. Public, which makes your site visible to everyone. Password Protected, which places a single site-wide password prompt in front of all pages. And Private, which limits access to site owners and contributors only. To turn off the password prompt for the entire site, change Site Availability to Public, then save your changes. Look for the Save or Done button at the top of the panel to confirm. Setting the site to public is what removes the site-wide password gate for visitors. It's important to know that making a site public requires an active paid subscription. On trials or sites without a plan, the public option will be unavailable, or you may see a message instructing you to publish. If that happens, follow the on-screen prompts to choose a plan, complete checkout, and then return to site availability to set it to public. Once the plan is active and you save, your site will load without asking for a password. After updating, open your site in a private or incognito window to see exactly what a new visitor sees. If the password screen still appears, double-check that you clicked, save, then refresh. Also, confirm you don't have individual pages set with their own passwords. Page-level passwords are separate from the site-wide setting and will continue to prompt even when the overall site is public. Remove any page passwords you no longer need and save again. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Publishing can take a moment to reflect everywhere, so give it a minute and clear your browser cache if necessary. Once your site is public, search engines can find it over time. If you're not ready for indexing, review your SEO and visibility preferences in Settings. And finally, be sure you're on the correct site if you manage multiple sites in your account. That's all there is to it. Open Website, go to Settings, choose Site Availability, and set it to public, activating a plan first if required, to turn off the Squarespace password and make your site accessible to everyone.